viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Hi students, good morning to everyone. So now today also we continue the same chapter 13, surface area and volume, exercise 13.2. So already 6 questions we done. So today we have to start question number 7. The inner diameter of a circular well. So well, you know that inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. So 10 meter deep in the sense it seems to be height. Okay. So circular well. So inner diameter. So diameter is 3.5 meter and height is 10 meter. Okay. The half of the diameter seems to be the radius of the well. We need to find out inner curved surface area and then cost of plastering this curved surface at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Rupees 40 per meter square. First we need to find inner curved surface area. So you know that well is in the shape of cylinder. So inner curved surface area, it means curved surface area of a cylinder. So just have to draw a diagram. So this is the well. We need to find out the inner curved surface area. So just you have to think this is your well. Okay, like this. This is your well. This is your well. We need to find the inner curved surface area. So number 1, solution. So before that, you need to go with what are the given values. So given that diameter of a well. Diameter of a well which is equal to 3.5 meter. Radius you can take like same 3.5 divided by 2 meter. It is very easy to solve. And next thing, deep. Deep which is equal to 10 meter. Deep is nothing but height h. So first what we need to find the inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area. So inner curved surface area of well. Inner curved surface area of well is equal to curved surface area of cylinder, which is equal to 2 pi RH square units. So you know that the value pi we need to substitute. So directly 2 into 22 by 7 into the radius seems to be 3.5 by 2. So 3.5 divided by 2. And the height seems to be 10 meter. Okay, now you can substitute 177. It seems to be 5 7s are 35. 1 decimal point is there. So 0.5. And this two will get cancelled. What is the remaining part? 22 into 0.5 into 10. So 22 into 0.5. So 0.5 into 10 you get 5. So 22 into 5. So you need to multiply this one, you get 110 centimeter square. Sorry, it seems to be meter square because the given value is in meter. So we get 22 into 5, 110 meter square. So this is the curved surface area of a well. Next what we need to find? We need to find the plastering. Plastering is nothing but you need to correct by using cement, you need to paste it. That the what we say, you need to paste. You have to correct. You need to level it. Okay. So how much cost is that? Per meter square is 40. Per meter square is 40. So you need to find out how much cost to plastering this well. Okay. So second one, we need to find cost of plastering. So second, find the cost of plastering. What is the given cost of plastering will per meter square, which is equal to rupees 40. So now cost of plastering will 110 meter square equal to 110 into 40. So this 20 you get 4 into 11 44. So what is the value? It seems to be rupees 4,400. So by the plastering cost of the well is 4,400. Next we move on to question number 8. Now we have to see question number 8. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. What is meant by radiating? Radiating means a radiation to heat the water. Okay, so just you consider this is the cylindrical pipe to heat the water inside the water heater. So what is the radiation? Radiation means it's full, this rod fully the radiation should be happen to heat the water. So what you need to do, you need to find out the total surface area of this rod. So the rod is in the shape of cylinder. You need to find out the total surface area of a cylinder. So what are the given values? They have to given length of cylindrical pipe. Length of cylindrical pipe 28 meter, and the next one diameter. So diameter, which is equal to 5 centimeter. You need to change over this into meter. Okay, so 5 can be divided by 100. You can change this one into, and then same 5 divided by 100 into 2. So you need to divisible by 2. So 1 2 is 2, 2.5, and you get 0.025 meter. So this is the radius. This is the radius of a cylindrical pipe. How it is happen? Half of the value of 5. So half of the value is you take divided by 2, and divided by 100 it can be converted into meter, centimeter to meter. You get 0.025 meter. So now what you need to find? Total radiating surface. So total radiating surface, which is equal to total surface area of cylindrical pipe. Total surface area of a cylindrical pipe. So this is cylinder. So 2 pi r h plus r square unit. This is the formula to find out total surface area. So you know the values. You have to substitute 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.025 into h is 28 plus 0.025. So now you need to take 2 into 22 into 0.025 into 28 plus 0.025, 28.025 divided by 7. So now you need to cancel this everything. So 2 into 22, it is 44 into 0.025 into 28.025 divided by 7. What is the answer? You get it? You need to get, while we calculating this one, so you have to multiple this 3 value. You got 30.8275 divided by 7. You cancel this. You have to divide this value by 7. You get 4.4039 and the value seems to be 4.4 meter square. So the total radiating surface in the system is equal to 4.4 meter square. Next we move on to question number 9. So now we continue question number 9. Find lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter height. So here we no need to consider about lateral, so curved surface area. Where we need to find out curved surface area? We need to find out the curved surface area of a petrol tank. Petrol tank is in the shape of cylinder. So all the things they have to given. We need to find a curved surface area. What the shape? It seems to be cylinder. What is the value? It seems to be the radius, that means diameter is 4.2 and height is 4.5. Okay, this is the first question. What is the second question? We need to find out the steel was actually, how much steel was used. How much steel was used actually. If 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. If you make the cylindrical tank by using steel, 1/12 it can be wasted while you have to making the steel. So what is the total surface? Actually, how much steel can be used? So first you need to find out the total surface area of a cylindrical tank. That means totally how much steel it can be used. You need to reduce 1/12 of it. Okay, at the time you get the actual using steel. So given that, what are the given values? Diameter of a cylindrical petrol tank. So diameter of a cylindrical petrol tank is equal to 4.2 meter. So radius is equal to 4.2 divided by 2, which is equal to 2.1 meter. Next, what is the height? Height seems to be 4.5 meter. 4.5 meter. What you need to find out? You need to find out curved surface area. So CSA of cylindrical tank is equal to 2 pi RH square units. So you know the value, 2 into 22/7 into radius is nothing but 2.1 meter into height is 4.5 meter. So just you have to cancel it. 1 7s are 7, 3 7s are 21. So it seems to be 0.3. Okay, so now you need to multiply this 2 into 4.5, you get 9. Okay, so 2 into 4.5, it seems to be 9 meter. And then 22 into 3, you get 66. It seems to be 6.6 meter. Now you need to multiply 66 into 9. So 6 9s are 54, 4 remaining 5. 6 9s are 54 plus 5 59. So how many decimal point? 1 decimal point. So 59.4 meter square. This is the curved surface area of a cylindrical tank. Next, what we need to find? Next question, we need to find out the total steel was used actually to make the tank. Okay, if 1/12 of the steel was wasted, therefore you need to find out you need to find out only how much steel used while making the tank. So next we need to find the actual area of a steel. So let the actual area of the steel used be x meter square. So how much wasted? So area of a steel wasted, which is equal to how much it wasted? 1 by 12 of x meter square. It seems to be x divided by 12 meter square. So x meter square is total amount of steel and x by 12 meter square is wasted of steel. We need to find the total area of a steel of the tank, total area of the steel used in to make tank. So total area of steel in tank is equal to total surface area of a cylindrical tank. What is the combination of the actual steel? So actual steel, how you need to find out means by comparing the total surface area of a cylindrical tank. So total area of steel in tank. So total area of a steel to make tank, which is equal to x meter square minus x by 12 meter square. That means total actual area of a actual steel minus wastage. Okay, you have to subtract means you get the how much steel used to make tank. So total surface area of cylindrical tank, which is equal to 12x minus x divided by 12 meter square, which is equal to 11x divided by 12 meter square. So total surface area of a cylindrical tank is nothing but 2 pi r h plus r, which is equal to 11x by 12 meter square. You know the value. So 2 into 22 by 7 into what is the radius? 2.1 meter, and then height is 4.5 meter plus 2.1 meter, which is equal to 11x divided by 12 meter square. So now you need to multiply this the same. It should be 0.3, then 4.5 into 2.1 you get 6.6. So 2 into 22 into 0.3 meter into 6.6 meter, which is equal to 11x divided by 12 meter square. So you have to multiple so all this value. Okay, you need to multiple. So you need to find out x. So x, which is equal to 2 into 22 into 0.3 into 6.6 into 12 whole divided by 11 whole divided by 11. So 1 11s are 11, 2 11s are 22. So you need to multiple this all value, you get the actual steel. X, which is equal to 2 into 2, 4 3s are 12. It should be 1.2 into 6.6 into 12. So 1.2. So 12 into 12 you get 144. So 1 decimal point. So 14.4 into 6.6. You need to multiple this two value, you get the answer. So the value seems to be 95.04 meter square. So x is nothing but actual steel. So totally actual steel is nothing but 95.04. Okay. So the cylindrical tank we have to used by to make by 95.04 meter square, and the wastage seems to be 1 by 12 of this meter square. Okay, so I have to attach the worksheet on the basis of the sums. You have to do it in the day itself. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. வாட்சிங் ஆஹா நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன் தட்டுங்க.